Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to unlock the Beneath the Meteor Shower achievement in Heartopia and get the badge. This achievement is actually very easy to unlock. First, you need to wait until a meteor shower event happens in Heartopia like this, and when the meteor shower starts, just the requirements is simple. You need to perform a wishing actions together with at least one friend. So before doing that, make sure you buy the wishing actions from NPC Doris. Doris appears during the meteor shower event. So check the area when the event is happening. And after you get the wishing actions, just invite or at least one friend to stand with you, then simply perform the wishing actions together at the same time, just like this. And once you do that, during the meteor shower, the Beneath the Meteor Shower achievement will unlock automatically, and you will immediately receive the badge like this badge, like this, and that's it. Pretty simple, right? And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.